non-drafted guy, but being selected in the 14th round. Martinez hits one deep to left center field. Over and going back. He looks up. It's off the wall. Martinez digging for second. The throw will come in towards third. It is a wall ball double for Omar Martinez. A really good swing of the bat to left center. Parks Harbor ground ball was ruled an error by Arias as Martinez rips one down the right field line. If it's fair, it's gone. And it is fair. Home run, Omar Martinez. 7th of the season, and Hudson Valley has extended their lead to 6-0. A monster shot from the Renegades catcher, Omar Martinez. That is certainly a way to add on if you're Hudson.